Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best drywall taping knife that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5. Best drywall taping knife. A drywall project involves supplying drywall as construction material such that it helps in making walls and ceilings. This material is also known as wallboard, sheetrock, plasterboard, or gypsum board. Drywalls are indeed useful for implementing several design aspects such as arches and eaves. It is fast and straightforward to install these extraordinarily durable. Number 5. Cinix 6" Scrapper Set Drywall Tapping Knife. Precise flex for a better finish and faster application rates. Corrosion resistant. Features a rigid anodized backplate that is wider. Main features: premium stainless steel blade. Lightweight and comfortable. Full soft grip handle. Number 4. DARIT 3 pieces Putty Knife Set for Drywall Taping Knife. Finger guide rail in the front and back for better leverage with less effort. Flexible and strong blades for longevity. Tough enough for high pressure. Main features: made of quality stainless steel. Ergonomic comfort handle. Easy to storage. Number 3. DARIT 6 pieces 1.56" Putty Knife with Drywall Taping. Removing loose putty, scraping paint, removing loose paint, removing vinyl or paper wall covering, patching dents, cracks, holes in plaster. Main features: made of high-quality stainless steel. Durable and flexible. Wood handle. Number 2. Gonaturs Steel Scrapper Set Plaster Drywall Tapping Knife. It is lightweight, comfortable and ergonomically designed for all-day use with minimal fatigue. Drywall tools are built for daily use by industry professionals. Main features: black plastic handle. Maximum grip. Multi-use. Number 1. Red Devil 4218 Flexible Taping Knife 6". Full tang blade extends through the handle. Solid steel nail setting head. The blade seems thinner than the original product and has some sort of resin coating. Main features: high carbon steel blades. Solvent resistant handle. Maximum safety. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.